Hi, my name is Kyle Hoff. I'm a co-founder of Floyd. We're here at our HQ in Detroit in Eastern Market, and we're doing a workshop today with the FATE students. Super excited to get them in there designing and creating a bookshelf. Floyd's a furniture company. We design and develop our products here and manufacture them in the US. This is kind of our HQ where it all happens, and excited to have the students here today working with us.
I'm feeling myself. All right. Hey, I'm feeling myself. Yeah, I'm feeling myself. Do it like no one else.
Today with us from the Floyd team, we have Andre Sandifer, our senior designer, Andrew Heathfield, a product designer also, Tiberius Fields, a product engineer. What we're going to be having the students work on designing solving a problem for a bookshelf that is either their need or the need of somebody else in the world, and kind of working through kind of what we see as sort of our design process at Floyd. So we'll be introing them to furniture design, how we think about it with our team here at Floyd, and it should be fun. We're excited to see what they have.
Hi, I'm Zanaya Williams. I'm a rising senior in the FATE program. Today we were introduced to Floyd, and we've also gotten to learn about the designing of furniture. Today I feel like it was a lot of positive vibes and very inspirational, and it just gave me more courage to actually pursue my career. I was just enjoying the learning experience, and they just actually, helped me and encouraged me to do even more and be better.
We're also super excited to announce that we'll be sponsoring a $5,000 FATE scholarship. We really love the program. We care a lot about design, and especially introducing high school students to design.
Thank you so much for giving our FATE program a chance with the scholarship. And I know for sure that our students in the FATE program are going to take the scholarship and go do something with it. Thank you.
Let's go. I'm feeling myself.
We're also super excited to announce that we'll be sponsoring a $5,000 skate scholarship for FATE students to skate. Yeah.